Hey, hi. Today I would like to give you our beautiful real-time project called as course delivery. Course delivery is in the sense we all see Coursera, Upgrade, so on online learning platforms, right? Likewise, we bought course delivery from our organization name called as aXcelerate. Now let's dig into our execution part. Now I will take you to Mega login screen. Then here is our animated login screen. Soon we will show our dashboard. After authentication to user portal, he or she can see the beautiful dashboard with loaded options. Here comes the animated login screen for authentication. Authentication plays a major role in real life, like to whom the application needs to be given access. Based on the hover of this workspace, login screen will show closing and opening effects. The rules we use to modify these changes are web-login and another one is py-login-screen-css. So now let's log in with learner credentials to create our new case. Yes. After logging into our application successfully, here you can see our beautiful dashboard. I'm scrolling a bit down so that I have a glance. In our live dashboard with loaded options so that learner can easily navigate to learn courses. Here you can see home button, students, professionals and working women and a small profile tab. Also here I can see my courses. Here I can see my courses. Also what are all the accomplishments I did so far I can see here. So when I tap on student, it will show us the real-time problem faced by the students in this corporate world. When I click on professional, here also you can see the real-time situation faced by one of the professional employee. Also, especially for working women. When I click on working women, here I can see one user story from ex-employee working woman. Also, as we are managing many learners, we have our own terms and conditions and our private policy. If I scroll down a bit and click on about us, then here I can see our vision, our partners, what we believe and our story. When I click on terms and conditions, here you can see our organization terms and conditions. Here is our social media platforms where you can connect with us and let's start learning. Now let's get into the learning track. I click on my courses. Here I can see which type of category I belongs to, whether I am a student or whether I am a professional or whether I am a working woman. As of now, I will go with student. Here is the login screen. Here is the detailed screen where students will enter their data. Here I am going to enter my data. Appropriate validations are used and also some few more modifications in UI part where if I hover mouse on these fields, you can see the change in color. Now I'm going to choose my date of birth. Date of birth must be the past date. I'm entering my contact number. Now, after entering our contact number, now we need to authenticate the user. So when I click on send OTP button, an OTP by using integration part will be sent to the registered mobile number. Now I'm going to enter the OTP. When I click on submit, then verification is successful. Now I'm entering my college name. My highest qualification is BTech. My university email ID. And the interested courses. We populated these courses by using multi-select option. Then when I click on submit details button, here I can see many courses with student category where students can able to see and learn and also know the details of each and every course at a glance. Also, we are providing search bar icon here. Also the same address bar where the learner can navigate easily without any confusion. Now let's do one new course. That is, I want to do Google UX Design Professional Certificate. Now if I click on view course, then this is the next screen where we are showing you all about our program, that is the domain name and the course name, and also the about introduction video and the program overview, and most importantly instructors. After you got glance about this course, then if you want to enroll to move further, then I click on enroll now button. Here is the one more pop-up came in front of you to check or to confirm whether you want to proceed with this course. When I click on registered course, now here you can see the beautiful real-time integration called as PayPal. In future, when we want to accept international transaction, then PayPal will be the best method to attract and grab the learners so that everyone can pay easily. When I click on PayPal button, it will redirect me to credentials page. Now I am going to enter credentials. Yes, we enter the username and the password. When I click on login, here you can see the total amount which we need to pay to get access to that course. When I click on pay now button, it's done. Your transaction is completed and also you got your transaction ID. Please hold these transaction IDs carefully. When I click on OK and when I click on submit button, your payment is successful. You can start learning your course now. Now when learner pays the bill, then when he clicks on submit, then learner will get access to view this course. When I click on view course, here you can see week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 and final assessment options. Also you can click on go to dashboard button to navigate from first. Now here is the week 1 video and week 1 overview. Now after video done, then if I want to take assessment, then I click on take assessment. Here you can see the instructions which we provided. You must enter all the questions. The test is for 50 marks. You must get at least 20 marks to continue further. In case if you fail to get at least 20 marks, then you are not eligible to continue to next week. We restricted our learners not to go further when he did not pass the week 1. Also, as learners are paying much more money to learn new things, he or she can retake the test as many times as they want. When I click on submit, then boom, here is the test we got in front of our eyes. Now I will show you the fail case where when the learner unable to cross the pass mark, then he cannot move to the week 2. Let me enter the answers. When I click on submit, then I got only 0 marks. Now it's time for me to retake the test. When I click on submit, again same. Now I'll show you the pass case. Yeah, when I click on submit, then I am automatically entered into week 2. This is the week 1 course and week 1 score. Here also you can see my completion status, that is 20%. Now same, I'll take week 2 assessments and also we are providing the materials. When I click on that link, then the drive link will be opened with loaded materials. Meanwhile, I'll take the test. Here is the same instructions for week 2 also. When I click on submit, then the test will be automatically shown in front of my eyes. As of now, I'll go with pass case. Then when I click on submit, then I got access to week 3. Also you can see my week 2 score. Also you can read if you want to increase your skill. Then also you can see my completion status as 40%. Then now I'll go to week 3 and I'll also take week 3 assessment with same instructions, and the test is in front of me. When I click on submit, then my week 3 score is done. Also my progress, my completion status also raised to 60%. Now it's time for me to take week 4 assessment. Same instructions, and the test is loaded in front of my eyes. Then when I click on submit, now I got access to final assessment. Also you can see my completion status as 80%. Now I'm going to take my final assessment. Here is the instructions you can see. Also we are providing some more instructions, like when he did not pass the final test, then he may not get the certificate. So as of now I'll go with pass case. Here is the test loaded. I'm answering all the questions. Yes, my final assessment is also done. Also you can see my completion status as 100%. Now it's time for me to get certificate. When I click on get certificate, then I can see here is the beautiful DX architecture logo loading in front of us. We used HTML fragment to change this one. Yes, right in front of us here you can see the learning materials which we provided for every week. Also, when the final assessment is done, here you will get this congratulations screen, and the learner can then easily go to his dashboard with single click. Here is the our live dashboard. Now, as I'm a learner, if I want to see what are all the courses I registered, then I click on view course. Here is the course which I registered and completed few seconds back. If I still want to learn something new in this course, then if I click on go to course, then here I got access to view course option also without any payment. Then done. Here is the week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 and final one, where the learner can relearn to upgrade his skill. Now if I want to see all my accomplishments, what are all the certifications I did till now, then with single click on this my accomplishment button, I can see what are all the certifications I completed till now. Now it's time to learn one more new course. As I am a same user, without logouting from this account or without moving to dashboard, from my accomplishment page onwards, I can search the courses. If I want to learn communication skills, strategic career self-management course, then if I click on view course, then here you can see all the courses based on those domain. With respect to the domain, the courses are displayed here. Now I want to learn speaking and presenting poise course. If I click on view course, then here is the overview of this total course. Then if I want to register for this course, then I click on enroll now button. Then it will give us one model dialog box to check whether we are finding the right course or not. Then if I click on registered course, then again back to our payment screen. If I click on PayPal button, then this will redirect me to the credentials page. You can see here I paid successfully with my sandbox environment, which PayPal provided me to learn and to also to integrate with external applications. When I click on submit button, then I'll get access to view course option here. Yes, now when I want to learn the course, then I'll click on view course and back, and again same, I can take test. I can see week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 if I completed my previous assessment, And once after the final assessment is done, then the certificate will be automatically generated to your mail. As of now, I'll go to my dashboard to introduce you new options. Once after learning is done, then if I want to check, and also we are, as an organization, we are providing timely communications to learners. Here you can see the payment successful email, so that learners won't get hurry about their payment status. After all the background verification is done, then here you will get the certification mail attached within to your email. It's like, so pleased to see you are accomplishing great things. You have successfully completed your course, so and so course, and you can also find your certification in the attached below. Then when I click on this button, here you can see this beautiful certification which will accelerate you, and also to upgrade your skills. Certification plays a major role in interview kind of things. So with our organization name called as aXcelerate, you can accelerate your life to get to learn and earn the things. Now I also would like to highlight one of the great thing we did, that is live chatbot. Here is our chatbot, Pega chatbot mainly used in many real life applications, because chatbot will reduce the amount of people to troubleshoot the things. With single chatbot, we can put all our engineers into developing domain, so that chatbot can resolve all the queries from learners. So here I would like to show you a few demo about our web chatbot. When I click on hi, then it is giving me response like, hey hi, which category you comes under. Then if I click on student, these are all the domains which our organization is providing for students to learn. Then if any emergency cases happen, if learner want help from our organization, then simply if I type HELP here in this message box and click on enter, there you can see our contact details, so that within 24 hours or less than 24 hours, our technical team will assist you to move forward. Now I would like to give you a glance about our steps which I did right now. Let's go with happy path first. Log in with student or professional or working woman category. Respective courses will be shown, and learner can choose course and pay the respective amount via PayPal. After payment done, learner will get access to courses. Weekly exams are going to be conducted with appropriate rules and regulations. Once the final assessment is done, then we will get certified with mail attachment. And now also existing user can log in to access into their dashboard here, which you are seeing right now. And the same existing user can also re-register for the new course. This is the happy path done. Now to conclude our application, hope you got a good glance about our project. Finally, our application provides a greater flexibility and encourages learners to be more enthusiastic towards upgrading their new skills. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Wait. We still log in into our application. It is not at all safe to log in your social accounts in PGs. It is better to log off from your application when after your work is done. Here you can see our header, and if I hover my mouse onto my profile icon, then here you can see the logout button. When I click on logout, then back to our beautiful animated CSS screen. Thank you.